Cryptocurrencies are continuing to go up and up and up, and it is not stopping. And we are just getting started. Bitcoin is continuing to break levels of resistance. It is absolutely wild to see this play out. We have Shiba Inu actually breaking out of that symmetrical triangle pattern, which we called out in my video yesterday, and we are looking extremely bullish. Cryptocurrencies are about to make some massive moves. Right now, Bitcoin is taking the show, but it is setting up for this huge altcoin season where we will potentially see Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP, all of our favorite altcoins make some insane moves that we have not yet seen before. So make sure you watch this entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos where I call out huge plays for free way before they happen. Make sure you also smash up the like button if you love cryptocurrencies, and blow up the comment section with your question, comments, concerns, things that you like, things that you don't like, and let me know your favorite cryptocurrency for this week. What cryptocurrency do you think will make the biggest moves? Now, if you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, every single day in my Patreon, which you could join for only $10 a month, I put out alerts. I tell you when to buy or sell. I tell you when things are bullish, when things are bearish. I give you guys insights into the market that you are not able to find yourselves. I also have services where you can call me. We can talk to you on the phone, build you a portfolio, look at your current portfolio, see if there's any things that we need to change so you can be set up for this massive bull run. Make sure you also follow my Twitter and Instagram where I do put out this awesome information for free as well. And I also give away free cryptocurrency. This Saturday, I'm giving away 200 Dogecoin. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments below, and you will enter in to win the 200 Dogecoin this Saturday. Now let's go ahead and dive straight in. So what we are seeing right now, primarily what I'm focusing on is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin ended up breaking out of this bullish flag formation, which we've talked about all of last week. And look at this. Inside of this bullish flag, let me go ahead and take off these Fibonacci retracements. Inside of this bullish flag, or this ascending triangle pattern, whatever you want to call it, look at this. The lows kept getting higher and higher and higher, and it continued to bounce off of this support line, which we drew last week, way before it even touched these support lines. It was very amazing to see how it respected this entire pattern. Not only that, but Bitcoin, once it broke out of this pattern, it actually came down and bounced off this previous level of resistance to confirm the breakout. This is extremely bullish and what we want to look for if we are trading or buying cryptocurrencies. This is letting us know that right here, this very moment is the time to buy Bitcoin because we are headed to all-time highs. We could potentially, for Bitcoin, see all-time highs this week. And if Bitcoin sees all-time highs, that will be setting up the altcoins, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, for some massive runs. Now, Shiba Inu is up 20% this morning, and yesterday in the Patreon, the last couple of days, we were able to buy right here as it formed this symmetrical triangle pattern, which was very, very bullish. Yes, the other day we were looking bearish. As we flipped bearish, we failed to make another high, but what ended up happening was we were consolidating into this symmetrical triangle pattern, which in technical analysis, we know that it's actually potentially about to reverse to the upside and going to continue this bullish formation. So we ended up getting this breakout, getting some massive gains in just the last several hours. But here's the interesting thing. We just smashed this high, this previous high, and we are headed up to break this high. So things are looking very good. So Shiba Inu is very closely following Bitcoin, and this is very good news. Ethereum is up 5%, so a lot of some of the altcoins are really looking good, but a lot of them are also bleeding out. So Ethereum is looking some of the best out of the altcoins, but we have Solana, we have XRP is actually starting to bounce off now. But look at this. We have Dogecoin. It's starting to move a little bit, but it is kind of consolidating. All the coins are bleeding out, and we're going to be getting into why this is happening in just a few moments. But let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. So the last 7 days, if we look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies, the best cryptocurrency performance is Bitcoin by 20%. Bitcoin is up 20% in the last 7 days. The last 24 hours, the only crypto that is up pretty much in the green is Bitcoin, up by 4%. So what is happening is that Bitcoin is receiving the greater market share of cryptocurrencies, the whales, the institutions. Most of the money that's flowing to cryptocurrencies right now is flowing into Bitcoin. So this shows you that sometimes the altcoins are down and they're going to continue to go down while Bitcoin goes up. So you want to get exposure to Bitcoin in your portfolio, even if it's 500 bucks, however much money you have, you definitely want to have a strong portion of your portfolio in Bitcoin so that when Bitcoin pumps, you can get some of the green out of that. And when the altcoins go crazy, you still have a conservative play in your portfolio so that after the altcoins pump and go crazy, they crash, they consolidate, Bitcoin is going up and is going green. So it's good to be diversified in that aspect. But look at this, Bitcoin price hits $57,000, which of course we're above that right now, which is a 5-month high. It's a 5-month high. So we have not seen Bitcoin hit this number for 5 whole months. This is very, very good news. When you start to break all-time highs, when you start to break highs that we haven't seen in 5 or 6 months, that shows you things are about to change for the good, that things are really starting to get heated up. But we're also seeing the altcoins lag. That's because the money is flowing into Bitcoin right now. You need to get exposure. But here's the thing about it. When the altcoins lag, that means it's Bitcoin season. Then what happens not long after that, maybe a month, maybe a couple of months, then Bitcoin dominance starts to go down and down and down and crash while the altcoins are receiving the greater market share of cryptocurrencies because people are taking their Bitcoin profits, putting them in altcoins, and sometimes people will take their altcoin profits, put them in Bitcoin. So there's altcoin seasons and Bitcoin seasons. You want to trade, even in the bull cycles, at one period you want to trade more Bitcoin, at one period you want to trade more altcoins. So getting diversified will help you to make the biggest gains. So here very soon, the altcoins are going to start taking off. We don't know exactly how long, but things are starting to heat up. So altcoins are at a massive discount. So this may be the time to consider buying the altcoin dip. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. And if you want a great platform to buy altcoins like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, use my WEBULL link in my video description below. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, because I'm such a good partner with them, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000. So in the US government, the economy, people are worried about this US debt ceiling crisis. But this is a catalyst for crypto's ultimate decoupling. So what we have been seeing the last couple of weeks while the stock market is going down, while the economy is not looking so great, cryptocurrencies are going up. There's all this FUD and bad news, but cryptocurrencies are going up. This is the same exact thing that we saw last year. Last year, we were seeing these economic difficulties, these terrible things happening in the United States, the government, the economy, but Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies were continuing to go up and up and up because people were buying cryptocurrencies as a hedge against these economic situations, as a hedge against inflation, among a bunch of other things. So when cryptocurrencies are decoupling, which means they're not dependent upon the stock market, which means that they don't also only move when the stock market goes up and goes down, they're doing their own thing. And this is a very, very good sign, a very bullish sign that cryptocurrencies are about to make a massive move. Now look at this, Shiba Inu rebounds 40%. So actually in total, we are up 40% from that dip that we bought in the Patreon for Shiba Inu. But here's the thing, Shiba Inu is actually starting to have a good use case. They're starting to burn tokens where it's becoming deflationary, potentially hyper deflationary. So this is very good. And the community is building up pretty strong. What I'm trying to do is trying to bridge the gap between the Dogecoin community, the Shiba Inu community, because some people in the Dogecoin community only like Dogecoin and they hate Shiba Inu, and vice versa with Shiba Inu. But there should not be any hate among cryptocurrencies. It's crypto. We're here to make money. We're not here to hate on people that like one crypto or the other crypto. If we all come together and respect other people's cryptocurrencies, their communities, we can love each other, have exchanges, and we can expand our own projects. We can expand our own communities by bringing others and sharing our communities with others. What do you guys think about this? Do you think we should bridge the Shiba Inu and Dogecoin community? Because it's starting to happen. A lot of people that didn't like Dogecoin are starting to warm up to Shiba Inu, and a lot of people that didn't like Shiba Inu are starting to warm up to Dogecoin. So it's starting to happen, and this is definitely very good. This is what we want overall for the cryptocurrency market. Now look at this. Now Dogecoin is set to follow Shiba Inu's 400% breakout. This is very, very good. So what we are actually seeing is that Dogecoin is forming the same exact pattern as it was before it took off in April. Before it took off to 74 cents, we're starting to see the same exact pattern play out, which we're going to take a look at in just a second. So when the altcoins have their season, Dogecoin is definitely going to be one of the coins that's going to rally like crazy, especially with all the Dogecoin news coming out this year. with Elon Musk and all of the developments that are happening between Ethereum and Dogecoin. There's a lot of very big things that are happening behind the scenes, and Dogecoin will pump in this bull cycle. The next 6 months, I believe Dogecoin will probably very likely break all-time highs, and that is a very conservative estimate. We could probably double or triple even the all-time highs, especially with the amount of FOMO, the amount of money that's flowing into cryptocurrencies right now. But let me show you this. So this guy is looking at and comparing the bull cycles of previous cycles, and he's looking at Bitcoin dominance, when Bitcoin dominance was going up and when altcoin dominance was going down. So what we are seeing is that it looks like 2017 all over again. When the altcoin dominance actually started dropping and going crazy, there ended up being a huge rebound in the altcoin market, and this was in December, January. So it's very likely that December, January is going to be the altcoin season, and that right now, until that time period, we're going to see, yes, Ethereum is going to break all-time highs, cryptos are going to still do good, the altcoins are going to do good, but when altcoin season comes in December and January, which is very likely, that's when the altcoins are going to make 300, 500, 1,000, 10,000% gains. So don't be discouraged because your altcoins are not performing this very second. Continue to have patience. They will break all-time highs. But if we just look at the cryptocurrency market, look at Ethereum bouncing up huge. This is absolutely massive. We have Dogecoin starting to make a bounce right here. This is very good to see. Solana actually has been making some very good moves the last couple of days, and there's some very good news coming out that is looking very, very bullish. And Shiba Inu right now is continuing to pump and break some previous levels of resistance, and this is looking very, very good. So overall, cryptocurrencies are still continuing to look good. Bitcoin is almost $58,000. We are not very far from the all-time highs, and let me show you what the all-time highs would be for us. So from this current position for Bitcoin to all-time highs, we're looking potentially about 10%, around 10%, give or take. When Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, the altcoins are really going to start making some big moves. Even though it still won't be altcoin season, they're still going to make some very big moves. But when altcoin season hits, this is the time to buy. This is the time to get in while they're cheap, while they're at a discount, while they're not pumping. They will make some incredible moves, moves greater than we could potentially imagine. So if you got something out of this video, make sure you smash the like button, blow up the comment section, and I will see you all later.